Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create font code on Bitget. First you just need to open your Bitget application. Now from here tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here tap on your profile, and in this security section you will find font code. You can just tap on font code, and from here you can just enter the font code, enter your font code, or you can confirm your new font code here. But right now we are going to create one. So you just need to enter the font code from here that you have, then you have to confirm it, then you just need to submit it. Then you will go through a verification process, like you will get a verification code in your email inbox. Then you have to input that verification code to verify yourself. Then you just need to go through the Google authentication process and your mobile SMS verification process. So you'll just get the Google authenticator code and you have to paste it before the times run out. Then you just need to enter the SMS code that you have got from your number. Then you can just create a font code on your Bitget application. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.